We started by isolating the three main colours: saffron, slate grey and pearl white, each presented as a distinct circle. These colours form the foundation of our design palette, ensuring clarity and direction in the design process. Saffron, a rich and vibrant hue, embodies warmth and exuberance. In our attic transformation, it serves as a beacon of creativity and energy. This golden yellow colour brings a sense of vitality and inspiration to the space, symbolising the light and joy that infuse new life into an old attic. Slate grey, a sophisticated and timeless colour, provides a foundation of strength and stability in our eclectic design. It represents the solidity of the attic's transformation, grounding the more vibrant hues and serving as a backdrop that enhances the room's overall harmony. This colour captures the essence of balance and refinement in the eclectic space. Pearl white brings a serene and luminous quality to the attic makeover, symbolising clarity and purity. It reflects the transformation's goal of creating a light-filled and airy space, where each design element can breathe and stand out. Pearl white acts as a canvas, allowing the eclectic mix of styles and hues to shine. The mood board is divided into 4 quadrants, each showcasing an item that aligns with our chosen colours and the eclectic style. This included a saffron upholstered vintage armchair, a slate grey textured area rug, a pearl white minimalist floor lamp, and a colourful eclectic piece of wall art that ties all the colours together. The transformed attic room is a vibrant testament to eclectic design, marrying saffron, slate grey and pearl white with natural wooden textures. A saffron vintage armchair provides a burst of energy, set against a slate grey textured rug that grounds the space. The pearl white floor lamp adds a modern contrast, illuminating the room alongside natural light that dances through the windows. Central to the room's character is a colourful piece of wall art that binds the colour scheme, supported by various decorative elements that add layers of texture and depth.